We'll start in this car. I don't like that. Let's try to figure out what's going on. Terminals don't look bad. They actually look kind of clean. But I'm going to clean them off to see if there's something going on. Okay, so the tools that you'll need for this are usually this terminal cleaner. I'll show you how that works. And you'll need a 10mm wrench. So we're going to get on that. We're going to get on here. And then you're just going to loosen up this terminal bracket. Alright. Just like that. Wiggle that son of a gun off. I can already tell, you just already see the buildup on there. That's why it won't start. If you see that buildup on there, that's the problem. Guarantee you that's the problem. So we'll just take these terminals off, terminal connectors off, wiggle. We're gonna have to clean that. All right. So you go ahead and take this terminal thing off. You're gonna clean this like that. Close your eyes when you blow that off so you don't get it all in your eye. And turn this thing to the right. If you turn it to the left, it disconnects this top part. Like that. Turn and clean. Again, close your eyes. Blow. Clean it off for the most part. You can see down in these terminals, they're pretty jacked up. They're pretty dirty. But I got something for that. It comes apart. So this comes apart. You twist it. You set that aside. It has a bristle, right? You're gonna just push it down in here on your terminal. Careful with your eyes. Wear some goggles or something. Because when this bristle starts turning, it starts flying everywhere. So watch your eyes. And you're gonna do this to all the terminals. Clean all that gunk off. Okay. I'm gonna use both hands and clean them up real quick. You see how I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna put it in here and clean them up. Get better connection now. Now we'll put this back together and put it down. Put our terminals back on. Look at that. Had so much junk in there. Okay, so put our terminals back on. Tighten them back down. There's a bunch of crud in there. See, it doesn't look like there's so much right here, but it was on the inside of that inside of the terminal clamp that it was causing disruption. You don't want to over tighten these. You'll strip them out and then they won't hold. So you just want to put these on there and tighten them down. Tighten up so it won't vibrate off. Okay. Okay, let's try it now. Clean terminals. Well, that's better. It's better. It's not the best, but you can tell the terminals, as you clean them up, you got a better connection, so you can start it. I still might need to go test this battery, and I probably will. And might be due a new battery, but you need to clean your terminals. Always clean your terminals. You're gonna get stuck somewhere, and it's best to keep this little terminal cleaner with you. All right. If you like these videos, hit the like button, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video.